Hello guys, welcome to another episode of
This
how
looks so
I made
fucking good, bitch. What the fuck? Ah, let me go gag. Let me go gag.
recording my process. But again, this is like a journey, a storytelling while telling you guys how I'm doing it. So I just arrived from finish working my 9 to 5. I actually work as a freelancer in merchandising retail and marketing and stuff like that, but I'm also working on my personal project, which is I'm doing a dress made out of 3D design, and this is like my first attempt just from something that I sketched, which I ended not doing like the sketch. And I'm just excited because I have a whole idea for it, and the shoot and the set design and the message, I'm obsessed. So I just wanted to come here and share something with you guys. Like wait, I forgot what it is. I'm gonna start designing and then I'll record again. Okay, I know now. So a quantity of mine just got their master's in communication, and when I saw that post, it made me think about debt. Like, a lot of people associate debt with something bad, when a lot of people have debt. And if you know anything about business is built through other people's money. Like, that's why you have people that invest, startups, you can do a loan in the bank, people, all of these sources that help you to finance a business. And most of these business people that you see like online, right? Like people that have real multiple brands and business running, they all start by doing that, either loaning money, getting into debt, and from there build up. And there's people that have this concept that that is bad, but the reality is that debt is the ability to trust yourself into knowing that your future self will have that money. And a lot of people lack faith in themselves. Like, they don't trust themselves that can do something, or that they're gonna be in position in a certain way in life. And it's just about how much do you believe in yourself, how much do you believe into what you're doing. And I think that has a lot to do with the belief that you have about yourself. Like, if you believe that you can do something, like, do you trust yourself so much to put yourself in a financially risk situation to secure your future self? Do you trust so much in your future self to put yourself now in certain conditions? Like, that's a lot of trust. That is a lot of trust. And some people don't trust themselves like that. Like, students, like, sometimes people, like, they judge students because, like, I'm from the Caribbean, so there's this concept in the Caribbean of getting into debt, traveling, deciding to go and study abroad. Like, we have that option, and a lot of people see it something like, yeah, but when you finish, are you gonna come back with that debt? And it's like, of course you're gonna have that, but you're also gonna know that you're gonna be so well positioned that you can take care of yourself and of it. Like, I don't know, before I came to study abroad, a lot of people were like telling me like how much it's of a risk, and at the end of the day, nothing is guaranteed. But like, at the end of the day, the truth is, nothing in life is guaranteed. like nothing, absolutely nothing. So why not take a risk in something that you trust, or you want, or you know that it's gonna work out for you? So I just wanted to share that with you guys, because I feel like in your journey as a maker, a creator, in any way or form, or even if you have business, you're entrepreneur, whatever you do, you have to have so much trust and believe in yourself. Like, the type of thing that it's like, I don't know how it's gonna happen, but I know it's just gonna happen. And that sounds so fucking cliche. Oh my god, Vienna. But it's either you believe it, that you can, or you don't. It's like you have it or you don't. And you can have it by making it, by creating it, by building it within yourself. And do the thing that you really want. Because if the option is given to you and you feel excited and you trust to choose, like you choose to trust in yourself and in what you're gonna do, then it's gonna work out for you. You're gonna be fine. Because that is like it's like sometimes for me it's like a game, in the sense like, do you trust God so much? And it's like, yes baby, that's all I got. Like it's almost like, I feel like disrespectful. Like, do you think God gave me this desire, this passion, this idea, whatever it is, for me not to do it, or not to have it, or not to experience it? No. Always make the best out of any situation. Of course, be conscious of your decisions, but you know, pray about it and trust yourself.